Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my automatic Lego compressor. This design is largely based off of this guy's model. Here's a link to his video. I highly suggest you check it out. It's a wonderful creation, and I enjoyed incorporating his designs into my model. I've made a few changes. First of all, I only use one compressor. I added an air tank on, and I use my remote controlled pneumatic switch, and I will actually run through here and I will show you how this operates. The pressures are controlled by 4 springs down here. You can add more springs on to get higher pressure, but I currently only have 4 springs. So we will be making slightly less pressure than what he shows, but this creates more pressure than I have found useful in most of my models. We will run this compressor right now just to show you how it works. So I am using an external power supply, but I do have a battery pack that sits right here. My batteries are dead, so we're using this. I do use an infrared receiver here with a remote to control my pneumatic switch. Turn the power on. You see the switch will move back and forth. But right here, we'll watch it build up. Now this is set to the highest setting that I have currently for the model. Like I said, you can add more springs in order to get higher pressures. You see it shuts off about 36 psi. Then I'm just going to use my switch here. I'm just going to control it back a little bit forward. Okay, now I will show you how easy it is to switch up the pressures. Turn the power source off, and I'm just going to blow the air off. Now to change it, you simply flip it upside down here, and you want to just remove this one shaft and disconnect the spring. And just put the shaft back in, flip it back over, and we will run the compressor again. I typically run my model with 3 springs. It just seems to give the best of both worlds. Good pressure and still controllable pneumatic valves. I will show you one more time. We will adjust it again. Put it down to 2 springs. I'm going to show you 2 springs, but 1 spring will work, but you have very little pressure. I suggest the lowest setting you put it on is 2 springs. and I'll show you about what the running pressure of the compressor is just by flipping the switch back and forth as much as possible. It seems to be able to maintain just about 10 psi as you go. Which isn't bad. Well, I want to thank you for everybody who's watching, and I will be making instructions for this. Check out my brick shelf gallery, and I already have in there instructions for the control switch right here for the pneumatic valve. I will have those up shortly here, and thank you for everybody who watched this.